Okay, so I tried doing a video on this and the lighting was awful. So I'm just gonna show you here what I packed for a 4 to 5 day trip with my boys, which you're gonna hear in the background. In this bag right here, I just have my jewelry that I'm gonna be wearing along with some other ones. If you're traveling to somewhere and you have gift cards that you've received or bought, the little trick is when you want to save money, just throughout the year buy gift cards and just take them wherever you go. Yes. So this is what this side of the luggage look like, and I'm just going to show you the final product of everything that fits in there. And this is the medium-sized Calpak Tustin luggage, and it's in between 23 and 24 in size for reference. So this is basically everything that fit in there. Here are Joshua's 3 outfits. He's wearing the one that he's gonna wear tomorrow. He's gonna change right now. Then 2 swimsuits, pajamas, underwear, pajamas. Jordans are thicker, like the fleece one, because he gets asthma really quick in hotels, like when it's super cold. 2 swimsuit sets, and his 4 outfits. My husband, on the other hand, he's wearing pants, comfortable pants that are his pajamas, the shirt, and then he brought 1 outfit for Six Flags, which is his swimming trunks, the shirt, 4 shirts to choose from, and 1 pair of pants because he's going to be shopping over here. So I thought, what was the point of bringing more pants if he's going to be buying pants? Because he got a new job. He graduated, guys. He graduated. That's part of the reason why we came to celebrate him. He got his bachelor's degree, so we're celebrating him in this trip. Then for myself, I'm a woman. Women tend to overpack, and I did the best I could not to overpack. So this is my outfit for Six Flags, and then I'm gonna take my swimsuit and throw it over in a backpack just to change because I have a water park. Then this is 1 outfit. Okay, this over here is 1 outfit. This one's another one, and I have extra shirt just in case that I can match this. And then my other outfit, my pajamas. Right there's my underwear. This is where I keep my straightener, the yellow straightener that I reviewed and demoed in my channel. And this is basically a towel that I sewed really ugly. I need to get a Vera Bradley one. So there's a Vera Bradley here, so I might be able to get one. On this side, I bring more miracles, guys. Miracles. So on this side is my pair of chanclas. These are from Target. Then my makeup brushes. I'm gonna keep over here my makeup brushes. This is for the park. This, I'll show right now what it has. 2 towels that I'm gonna be carrying in the backpack for the beach towels for the boys. Like I said, Jordan is 98% potty trained, but these are just for when he takes a nap or he sleeps. These are pull-ups. And then this is a water one. Here is Jordan's thing for the pool because he's a kid. Even though they say you shouldn't wear those because it gives them a false sense of security. They should learn how to swim. Still, I'm paranoid. Here is the travel bag and what I keep here, and my makeup bag. Then I have 1 pair of chanclas for Jordan, Joshua's, mine because I'm going to be buying more shoes over here, of course, and my husband's. Do you guys see everything that fits in there? It's incredible. This is what I packed for a 5-day trip for me and my family in this luggage. Trick, use that as a laundry bag. Here is our travel bag, and this is what I keep for my husband, my 2 boys, and myself when we travel. And I'm just gonna organize it, but I wanted you guys to see this super cute bag, and it's from the Darnie Lee collection from Target, but I have also seen them at Marshall, which really pissed me off because I think I paid like 20 bucks for this one, and it was like $12.99 at Marshall. This is what I brought with me. I usually just keep in the shower the shampoos, body washes, then over here deodorants, lotion, makeup remover, hand sanitizer, wet ones because I cannot live without these nail files, extra thing for the hair just in case, tissues, toothbrushes, boys toothbrushes. Over here I keep my makeup. Yes, you should never keep your makeup in a bathroom because of the particles and it can get mold, etc, etc, but for a few days it's not going to do anything, and this is where I would usually get set up. Over here I have their flushable wipes, and yeah, that's my setup. Oh, and the laundry bag like I stated.